Hi guys, welcome, and this is our first part of our course. And in this thumbnail making course we are going to start with Canva. So as you all already know, to make thumbnail we are going to use Canva in this course. If you don't want to use Canva, then you can also use another photo or thumbnail making software, but we are going to use Canva because Canva is free and best software for beginner. So in this video I'm going to tell you some basic things about Canva. So the motive of this video is to teach you some basic thing about Canva so you can make your own basic things using Canva. So now let's begin and let's see how you can use Canva. So as before I go to my computer screen and show you all the process to make thumbnail and something about Canva, let me tell you, if you don't have a computer, then you can also do this thing with your phone. If you have a phone, then you can make thumbnail with Canva in your phone. Just download the Canva app on Play Store. Link is given below. Tap the link and it will take you to the page where you can download the Canva app for your Android phone, or if you have an iOS, then still you can download it. The link is given below for Android and iOS. Tap the link and you can follow along this course. So now let's go to our computer screen. So guys, here we are on our computer screen, and I'm gonna just open up my browser. You can use any kind of browser you want, and after that just search for canva.com. Canva is a website where we are going to use to make our thumbnail. So when you open the Canva for first time, you need to log in. So I have already created my account on Canva. On your computer it will show you something like this. Let me search again, canva.com. It will show you this kind of page. So from here you need to tap on login. If you don't have a account on Canva, then you can sign up, but I already have an account, so I'm gonna just continue, and here we go. We have successfully logged in, and after that just cancel this, and this is the main interface of Canva. So I'm gonna just make this full screen, and this is the Canva website. And here to make your thumbnail we have a bunch of different things, but here you, instead of thumbnail, you can make many other things like documents, slideshow, videos, and there are many things available on Canva. But here we are going to use YouTube thumbnails. We are going to learn about YouTube thumbnails. You can also make presentation, videos, Instagram post, poster, whiteboard, document, anything you want. But here just search YouTube thumbnail, and here it will show you this YouTube thumbnail with the logo of YouTube. Just tap on it, and then here YouTube thumbnail templates. Here we have bunch of YouTube thumbnail templates. So like here you can see there are some templates that I personally use, like this one. These are my favorite template, this, and there are many other templates that you can use if you want. So just you need to do is that choose the template that you want, and here let me choose any template. Like this template, I'm going to choose this one. This is paid, so just tap on it and tap on customize with template. So let's see if this is paid or not. I think that this is paid. You can see that we have that watermark. So if you want, then you can invest your money and go with pro version, but if you want to go with free version, then you can just choose free templates. So I'm gonna again go and search YouTube thumbnail, and I'm gonna just go with free one. Like here you can see paid. It is showing this paid, so it means that you need to pay money to make your thumbnail for this template. But this one, these are free. So let's choose any template. Like we're gonna go with this template. So let's choose this template. Tap on it, and here you can see this template is paid, but here I'm gonna just remove the element which is paid. Like this photo is paid, so if you use this photo on your thumbnail, then you need to pay money. But I'm gonna remove this photo because I don't want to pay money. I just want to use this template for free. So I'm gonna remove the photo, and then here we have this kind of interface. So I'm gonna just do is that customize some things, and then our thumbnail will become more professional. So we have secrets to go viral, how to go viral on YouTube, secrets to go viral on social media. I'm gonna just cut this, how, and then here we have secrets to go viral on social media. Just like that, you can type your own text. If you want to change this text and type anything you want, then you can do it. Just click on it and select it, then type. And here you can also change this text if you want. Just select the text, remove the text, but I want this one, it looks fine. And I can also change the text, but here it's good. And then after that, just tap on upload. If you want to add photo on your thumbnail, then tap on upload and tap on upload file, and from here you can upload your image. So let's see, I'm gonna choose this photo and tap on upload. So here I have this photo, this is my photo, and here let me make this bigger. I'm gonna put the photo on this side. Using your mouse, you can adjust this thing and make this bigger. And now you can see the text is behind my photo. So if you want to put the text in front of the photo, to the front of the photo, then tap on bring to front. If you tap on this, then you can see the text is on the photo, but it looks bad. So I'm gonna just again send the text to back. You can see send to back. Just tap on it and the text will go back. And you can just adjust the size of the photo if you want. And I'm gonna just make this a little bit small, and then here we go, we have this kind of text. And if you tap on this arrow, then this sidebar will hide, and now it looks good, and you can see. And if you just drag your mouse and select these all things, now you can see you have created a group of two things. Like here, if I you can see these two things are on group. But if you do is that, select the first text and tap on shift button, and then select the text thing that you want to make a group. Just select all the things and tap on group, and now you can see we have these all things grouped together. So if we move this one thing, all the things will move with that thing. And to ungroup it, tap on ungroup, and instead of selecting all things, you can just drag the mouse and select all the things, and then here we have one group created like that. So I'm going to just do the same thing, drag the mouse and make this group and put this over here, and I'm going to also send this to back. And now you can see this this text is not on the photo, so it looks more good. If you want, you can make this bigger and put this anywhere you want. And now we have a simple thumbnail. It looks good. You can just download the thumbnail if you want. Just tap on this share button, and here you can see we have this download button. Tap on it and tap on download, and you can also select the format, PNG, JPG, video format, anything you want. So you can still download this photo. But if you want to make this thumbnail more attractive, then you need to do something. I mean, you need to add more thumbnails, more attractive fonts, and then you can do it on your own. So I think that this is the basic thumbnail, and fantastic. But in our another video, I'm going to show you how you can make more attractive thumbnail than this one we have right now. So that was it for this video. And here you can design, add more thing on your own. You can see that we have some element section where you can use bunch of element you have. So I'm going to talk about all the things in our another video: text upload, project, everything, and these all things we have. So that's it. So as before I go, let me show you how you can download it. Just tap on this share button and tap on download, and then here tap on download, and then after that I'm gonna just press F11 to exit from full screen. First I'm gonna just download this, and then here we have successfully downloaded our thumbnail. You can see that, and now you can use this thumbnail on our video. I think you already know how to use it. If you don't know, then tell me in the comment. I'll make a video. That's it. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this first part of our course, and more videos will come in the future about Canva, and in our another video I'm going to show you more things about Canva, how you can make professional thumbnails, attractive thumbnails, so your channel will grow and you can get more views, more subscriber, and more money from your channel. So that's it. See you soon. Peace.